Kathleen, anong ginagawa mo?
Hey!
Kat?
I'm supposed to make a big pile!
Wait.
Ronald, naka-video ka na.
Okay. Ay, nako.
Oh, Kathleen.
Can you help me?
Can you help your dad?
Don't put it back. Hey.
Why are you putting it back?
No putting it back.
Dito kami sa bahay. Kathleen.
Can you stand over here? Stand over here.
Wait, I got...
No, don't put it back.
Kathleen. Kat. What are you doing?
Dig!
Ah,
Dad, put it back!
No.
Kathleen, we use the word please.
Dad, please put it back, please.
No. How can our car get out, Kathleen?
Grabe, hindi ka makakalabas ng kotse. Nako, tinan mo, nagpapala pa ng snow yung mag-ama. Kathleen, you help your daddy. Kat.
Hey.
Binabalik niya.
No. Hey.
Bakit naman binabalik ni Kat yung snow?
Ewan ko dyan.
Why are you putting it back? Oh, wag Merry Christmas ka na. Kathleen, say Merry Christmas. Nagpapala pa si Ronald. Kathleen.
Hey.
Oh, Dad.
Don't take it away.
Hello.
Kathleen, wave your hand. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas po. Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
See you soon.
Dude.
What are you doing with the shovel? Ay, Kathleen. Ah! Kathleen.
No.
Kathleen, put it down. Kat. Ay.
Hey. I'm gonna throw some snow, Kathleen.
Ah!
Are you okay?